Hi, it's Builder Immaculate Paint Protection. Doing some field research today. I found this 2015 Lexus with 61,000 miles on it. It's at the dealership. It's for sale. Something interesting about this Lexus here is it has paint protection film on it. They did a partial front end. Paint protection film here. You can see the line there. Paint protection film stops all the rock chips and the stone chips. I like to come out. We didn't do this installation. We didn't do this vehicle, but I always like to look at other people's works here. And something I noticed right off the bat was there's some rock chips in here. So what happened is they put paint protection film on this vehicle after they bought it with some miles on it. I don't know how many miles they had on it, but that just goes to show that that's why you want to get paint protection film on your vehicle right when it's brand new, because if you do get a few rock chips and you want to cover it up, potentially those should have been touched up, but they won't look 100%. So the good news is for whoever did this is that they didn't have a whole lot of damage with 61,000 miles. So overall, paint protection film, this is what it does, this is how it behaves, and it can save you. This would have been all peppered up to the whole vehicle. So overall, paint protection film's working for somebody.